Have you ever woken up feeling off, maybe with some strange symptoms, and worried if it could be something serious? We're going to talk about 5 key signs in older adults that might indicate cancer. Knowing these early could really change your health outlook, so stick around until the end. It's all about staying informed and taking control of your well-being. Before we dive in, if you find this helpful, sharing it with others is a great way to spread the word. If you're interested in more content like this, consider enabling notifications so you won't miss new uploads. Cancer is a frightening word, often associated with the worst possible outcomes. It's considered a major health threat and can feel like a devastating diagnosis, especially when it's discovered late. But doctors and experts emphasize that early detection is key. Recognizing the initial signs can make all the difference. So, we Eurostrade will be sharing 5 significant cancer warning signs that you might notice after waking up, helping you to be proactive about your health. Whenever cancer comes up, it's easy to feel a sense of dread. It can feel like a sudden storm, leaving people feeling hopeless. But let's consider the story of Mr. Tanton. In late 2022, he started experiencing intense chest pain and severe coughing every morning for 2 weeks. Concerned, he went to the hospital where doctors found a tumor in his right lung. He sought a second opinion, which confirmed lung cancer. However, he was fortunate it was caught early. After treatment, by November 2023, his cancer was nearly gone. This highlights the importance of recognizing those early signs, particularly the ones you might notice first thing in the morning. Keep an eye out for the 5 signs we're about to discuss, and remember to prioritize your health. First, persistent headaches after waking up. While waking up with a headache is common, don't dismiss it if it becomes a regular occurrence. It could indicate serious underlying conditions. For example, it might signal an undiagnosed cerebrovascular disease, which reduces blood flow to the brain. This can cause headaches, dizziness, fatigue, and even memory problems. Without treatment, it can lead to severe issues like blood clots or stroke. Cervical spondylosis, where bone spurs compress nerves in the neck, can also cause morning headaches, along with dizziness and nausea. Even depression or anxiety can lead to chronic morning headaches due to hormonal imbalances. If you experience unusual headaches after waking, see a doctor. If the headaches aren't too bad, you could try ginger tea. Circumflex Euro's ginger has anti-inflammatory properties. Or try fruit soak. Warm water can relieve stress-induced headaches. Second, joint pain after waking up. While joint pain is often associated with aging, morning joint pain can indicate something more serious. Consider Mr. B. Ventun, who had joint pain and stiffness for 3 weeks. He was diagnosed with bone tuberculosis, an increasingly common condition. Bone tuberculosis often affects the hips, spine, and knees, causing pain, swelling, and stiffness, particularly in the morning. It can be mistaken for other conditions like rheumatoid arthritis. If left untreated, it can lead to disability. So pay attention to morning joint pain and seek early treatment. For mild joint pain, try warm compresse Circumflex Euros. It can reduce pain. Gentle exercises like walking or yoga can improve flexibility. You could also try essential oils like peppermint or lavender to relieve pain. Third, fatigue and memory decline after waking up. Feeling tired is common, but persistent fatigue can signal serious health issues. For example, thyroid problems can cause fatigue and memory decline due to insufficient hormone production. Diabetes can also lead to fatigue and difficulty concentrating due to unstable blood sugar. Even depression can cause fatigue and memory problems. If fatigue and memory decline persist, get medical evaluation. If the condition isn't severe, try lemon water. Circumflex Euros. It boosts immunity. Maintain a regular sleep schedule and eat a balanced diet rich in vitamins, minerals, and protein. Fourth, wheezing and mucus in the mouth after waking up. This can be a sign of respiratory conditions, including lung cancer. It often arises from mucus buildup in the respiratory tract. Asthma is a common cause leading to wheezing, cough, and mucus. If you're finding this information helpful, let me know in the comments. Chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, or COPD, can also cause this, leading to shortness of breath and wheezing, especially in the morning. Bronchitis and inflammation of the bronchial tubes can also cause these symptoms. If you experience this frequently, especially with other symptoms, see a doctor. For mild cases, try warm water with honey and lemon to reduce coughing. Use a humidifier to reduce mucus buildup, or try steaming with peppermint or tea tree oil to clear the airways. Fifth, loss of appetite after waking up. This can significantly affect your eating habits and health. It can be caused by various issues, from simple problems to serious diseases. Gastric ulcers can cause a loss of appetite, nausea, and stomach pain. Fatty liver disease can affect digestive function and lead to changes in appetite. Even cancer, particularly stomach or esophageal cancer, can decrease appetite. If you frequently experience loss of appetite, see a doctor for diagnosis. If it's mild, try eating a light breakfast of fruit, nuts, or yogurt to stimulate appetite. Drink fresh fruit juice for vitamins and to improve taste, or try stimulating flavors like spices or herbs to increase appetite. Many people experience blood in the stool and worry. If frequent blood, perhaps due to constipation, isn't usually dangerous, but persistent bleeding, especially with other symptoms, should be checked out. Hemorrhoids can cause bright red blood, either outside the stool or in droplets. Anal polyps can also lead to bleeding. Abdominal pain and diarrhea might also be present. Blood in the stool isn't a disease itself, but a symptom. Untreated, it can lead to significant blood loss. So, eat more green vegetables and fruits, increase fiber intake, develop a regular bowel habit, avoid straining, and get routine checkups. Have you ever woken up with a dry, bitter taste in your mouth? It can be caused by being overly tired or stress, but it could also point to something more significant. Liver diseases can lead to a bitter taste due to impaired function. Stress and irritability can also diminish liver function, leading to bitter taste, dry mouth, and acid reflux. Kidney problems can cause toxins to accumulate, leading to bad breath, a metallic taste, and bitterness. A dry, bitter mouth can even be a sign of diabetes. If this persists, review your lifestyle and diet. Improve your oral care routine, adjust your diet to avoid irritating foods, and reduce stress. If you're finding this helpful, please let me know. If you suspect liver or gallbladder issues, try to reduce irritability and maintain a calm mood. Ensure adequate rest and limit smoking and alcohol. If morning bitterness persists with other symptoms like abdominal pain or weight loss, seek medical advice. Persistent coughing after waking up could be a sign of lung cancer. Lung cancer is a dangerous disease, and early detection is crucial. Persistent coughing in the morning is one of the earliest warning signs. The cough might last more than 2 weeks and may include phlegm, blood, difficulty breathing, and wheezing. People with poor immunity, a history of smoking, or exposure to pollution are more susceptible. But persistent coughing can also be caused by other conditions like pneumonia or bronchitis, so see a doctor for diagnosis. To start your day well, warm up your feet before stepping onto the floor. Drink a glass of warm water to boost your immune system and cleanse your digestive system. Perform stretching exercises to stimulate blood circulation. Practice regular bowel movements to help the body detoxify. Massage your head and face to relax and improve circulation. Exercise regularly to improve blood circulation and boost metabolism. Build and maintain a balanced diet, starting with a nutritious breakfast. Plan and organize your work for the day to manage your time effectively. And make sure to allocate time to relax and do things you enjoy. We hope you found this information valuable. What did you learn today? Share your thoughts in the comments. Remember to like, share, and stay tuned for more updates.